New phrase I want you to implant in your brain when it comes to using your vibration plate. In oscillating movement, especially for my new and my chronic users that are using it often for symptom management, less time, more often, less intensity, more speed. So what does that mean? Less time, just because your machine is set for 10 minutes, it's the max time, or even 15 in some cases. It's not a starting point. And for symptom management, a short 2 to 3 minutes to offer relief, boost energy versus a long workout, if you will. So less time, session-wise, and use it more often. Intensity is wide on an oscillating plate. Reducing intensity, closer. Wide is not only more movement, but it's more impact. So I want you to think less intensity and complement it with a faster speed. Instead of going slow or starting slow, bring it up to a mid-speed. My model that I'm standing on goes 60, so I might play in the 20 to 30 speed range. And with my feet closer towards the center, hip width apart at max. Again, especially if you're dealing with chronic issues or as a new user. So the phrase in your brain, and I want you to share, less time, more often, less intensity, more speed. I hope that helps.